Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are Ishmael the Butcher, and today we are just at the Grill Center. Today we are at the Grill Center. We are going to teach you how to roast your meat in a traditional way to make your meat more tender, more soft. Basically, how do you roast your meat? That's the question that you should ask yourself. But today we are going to teach you how to roast your meat in a traditional way. Today I am joined by my colleague here. His name is Salim. Salim is the grill master. This is the grill master. He will take us through the process of how best to grill our meat using just using salt. We are not using any marination. We are just basically using salt. So Salim, take us through the process. So this is our meat here, and we just have our salt here. We only have the meat and the salt, and maybe you can just take us through the process, Salim, slowly. Yes.
Starting by asking.
Okay.
Meat.
You can see? Yeah, we just salt. Just using salt.
The meat is salt. Then you put it in a grill. Yeah. Can you see? As you can see. Yeah.
So it's just using salt. It's just using salt. There is nothing he has added. It's just using salt slowly. Salim, you're sure this is the best way to grill?
Yeah,
It will be soft, very soft.
Very soft. Very appetizing.
Yes.
Presentable.
Okay. So for those that you just want to grill your meat, maybe at home, you don't want to use marination, or you just want to make your meat more soft, it is good that you just use the traditional way. The traditional way, we are just using salt. Using salt to make it soft, to make it tender, to make it appetizing, to make it softer and taste. It will be tasty. It is looking nice. As you can see, it is looking nice. So Salim we are not using a lot of heat. We're just using a minimal heat, so that it doesn't burn. It doesn't like you make it not so that it doesn't look rusty. To also give it appearance. So we are not using a lot of heat. So the only thing you will do is just maybe to so Salim, if maybe we can talk to Salim. Salim, when did you start this work? You know, maybe to just give people a free something to know more about you. Ulianza hii kazi muda gani? Umefanya kwa muda gani?
Kazi nimefanya miaka mingi, like 7 years.
7 years. Wow. So you have been doing this job for 7 good years. So I am very sure wewe you are this guy mwenye nikipatia nyama yangu, you will make it very nice.
Very nice.
For 7 years. So Salim has been doing this work for 7 years. So this guy is a professional. This guy has done this work for some time. Now Salim, let me ask you, which kind of challenges unapatana nayo ukifanya hii kazi? Maybe the challenges unapatana nayo hivi customers saa zingine, you know, or maybe your client unamchomea nyama. How do you ensure that client anapata kitu kizuri? Okay.
So the meat comes out appetizing, presentable, and very soft.
Okay.
Such that if it's marination, this one got leg, inaiva mpaka ndani.
Okay.
Such that ukikatakata hauna tamu ndani.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Salim is teaching us a lot. So wale watu wenye huwa wanatembelea maybe nyama choma wanaweza kupata wapi? Where can they get your meat?
You can get me in the Uhuru Highway.
Uhuru Highway?
Yeah. In the Pleasant House.
Plessy House? Okay, so Salim is anapatikana Uhuru Highway. That's just opposite Bunyala Road. Plessy House. It is called Harvest Street. Hapo ndo tutapatana na Salim. So Salim, you're telling this meat it doesn't require anything else. Huh? This meat will only use salt. Huh? Okay. Nice one. Nice one.
Kamera iko kuangalia mwangaza. Simama. Touch that na mliko na light. Face away from the light. Sio sana. Kwa at least.
Yes, Salim. I can see by there it is juicy. Yeah, it is looking juicy. Even when we turn it, it is looking juicy. Yeah, you can see the meat is turning. It is just looking juicy.
Brown.
Okay, that's good. That's good. It's looking nice. So Salim, the way the meat it is now roasting, how long shall it take to maybe make it nice, so that we get the final product? For how long shall it roast?
Kind of this.
Okay.
For example, this one is toast here. So now this one will take 1 hour, like 30 minutes.
1 hour, 30 minutes. So within 1 hour, 30 minutes, your meat will be nice.
Very nice. Yeah, very ready.
Okay. Good. That's good. That's good. Wow, wow, I can see. It is the way it is turning golden. It means that it is roasting nicely. It is now juicy because it absorbed the salt inside, so it is looking nicely. The way it's turning golden. Okay, that's nice. To those that are still watching our videos, remember to subscribe. Click the button just below you and subscribe. And remember to also pay us a visit. We are located at Plenty House. That's just on your way to Uhuru Highway. You will also meet Salim, our grill master, and Ishmael the butcher. Our meat will take like let's say 30 minutes to be ready. 1 hour, 30 minutes to be ready. So we have taken you through the process of just grilling your meat in a traditional way. The key factors that you have to remember: one, it is the heat. Your heat, as Salim has just explained, your heat should be at the lowest point so that your meat doesn't burn or it doesn't get roughly. You don't burn it roughly. And secondly, you should also consider the salt. Don't most people use maybe the modern way of grilling or maybe using the microwave, but this is a traditional way where we are just using salt. Salt is the only basic thing that we are using, and your meat will be very tender, your meat will be very soft, your meat will be appetizing, and also your meat will have a very good appearance. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Sure, hiyo imetokea kwa Salim, unaona nimekumarket. Mimi ndio ule mzee.